Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the second way where we can use this writing of a file. Writing of a file. You can see this way. This is the best way to do that, but there's another a way to do that. So let me just comment this guy out. We're also going to, since we're writing to this part, so let me just change this test 2. Let's give it test 2, and then go down here. So how does this second method work? Let's just create a variable called var. For example, I'm going to say open, just basically open, and it's going to take similar thing with this guy. So let me just copy this. Come on, let me delete this. So this is just basically what we want: open part, and then mode. Going to be in the right way, because this var I gave here just the same thing as saying f here. So let me just copy it so it won't get confused. Just say f here. So I'm going to basically do what we just did here. So I'm going to copy this. Let me comment this out and then bring it down. If you watch my previous video, this is just basically what we did here. With open part mode is going to be in right way, as in right format, and it's going to give it a variable f. So with this f, we can then now write our text into a particular file. So that is what we basically did here. Instead of specifying it here, we specified it initially, and then we hold that open, and then wrote hello easy keys, welcome to easy keys, and then it's going to close that file. So let's run that. Remember that I changed the part name to test 2, so we'll be looking at whether there's a test file named test2. Let's go back to see whether there's a name in it. And when we come here, there was no there's no file name test2. So let's run it and see. You can see it runs successfully without a problem. So let's go here, subdirect. You can see there's now a file with the name test2. So let's open it. You can see welcome to EasyKit. So let me go back. You can see this is one of the way to also write to a particular file. Let me create another one. Let's say test3 for example, and then when we come here, I will say hello. Okay, let me make it a little bit. Let me change the what I've been writing. Everyone can say hello come on, what have I been writing? Hello everyone, welcome to EasyKit. So let's run it. So it's now going to be another test file named test3, and it's going to do what? It's going to have a this test on it. Hello everyone, welcome to EasyKit. So let's go there. Let's go to the subdirect. You can see now this another file named test3. So let's go on it. You can see hello everyone, welcome to what? EasyKit. So you can see how simple that was to achieve. So in the next video, I'm going to do something like deleting of some of all these files, because all these files, none of them is really doing much. So I'm going to delete some of these files here. So that's what what I'm going to do in the next video. So make sure to stay tuned for the next video. I'll be happy to see you. Thank you for watching.